What's up, guys? Today's video is a little bit special because I am taking a break from the rotaries right now because not too long ago it was my birthday, and to celebrate I got another car to add to the collection. I'm running out of room, I know, but hear me out. I'm not going to show you guys what it is just yet, but I am going to give you a little hint now. So, you guys have seen my RX-7, my RX-8. I also have a Miata. I also have a Jeep Wrangler. And then there's the girlfriend Scion TC. Pretty much share the Wrangler and the TC. So, yeah. And anyways, this time since I have like 3 cars that are like project cars and they're all just not running, especially the 2 rotaries, I'm working on it. But right now I wanted a car that was just going to be fun to drive and super reliable, super good on gas. And I just want to take you guys for a ride first before I reveal to you guys what car we got. So, let's go. I finally reached my destination. I think I'm just gonna do like a nice little video out here because it is windy outside. I don't think I want to talk outside. Yes, you guys heard right. That's my dog, my sister. There's a reason why she's here. I'll tell you guys after the video. Say hi.
No.
Yeah, no, she looks like me but ugly.
Don't put me in the video. I look like an egghead.
I'm putting that in the video. So what I did end up getting is a 2003, I believe, Celica GTS. Yes? yes, it is auto, but it's got all the cool mods. It has Lambo doors. It has a body kit already on it. It has a MagnaFlow exhaust. And we just put a brand new catalytic converter on it as well. It's a stock motor, and the reason why I have this car is because it's actually not mine. It's actually my sister's, who was in this passenger seat just now. And this car has actually been in our family for, I don't know, years now. And this is one of the cars that like taught me about cars. And my dad was actually the one who was fixing this car up. And the one thing that my sister wanted, because this car is actually a girl-owned car, the one thing that she did want were the Lambo doors. And this car has had the Lambo doors on it for such a long time. Like, so long that one of the shock servos are already worn out and we already replaced it. But yeah, thanks for watching. This car was fun to drive through the canyons and handled really well. It is good on gas. I've been telling my sister to sell it to me. She does not want to, because this is her baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little fun video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.